What is going on, guys? So today I wanted to show you how to make the AirPods Pro really useful. We're gonna go over some tips, some tricks, and all the customization options that you can customize for your brand new AirPods Pro. If you still haven't watched my AirPods Pro unboxing or my AirPods Pro review, do so. It's linked down in the description below. I spent so much time, so much love, so much effort into my AirPods Pro review. It would mean the world to me if you would check it out. And yeah, I think we can officially get started. Alright, so I've heard a lot of people complaining on how to get the actual AirPods out of the case. They say that it's really complicated. It's really not that difficult. You just have to know how to actually get them out of the box correctly. It's really simple. People do it from the front or from the side, and that is pretty complicated to do. The best way to do it is putting your finger in the back of the actual case and then pulling, and that's it. You officially got your AirPods Pro out of the case. Boom! There's a bunch of ways that you can actually check the battery life on your AirPods Pro. The easiest way is to simply opening up the case near your iPhone, and you'll get the beautiful animation and you'll see the battery life of your earbuds and of the actual case. Another way to do it is simply swiping on the lock screen and you'll be able to see your widgets. If you don't see a battery widget, it's really simple as well. Simply scroll to the bottom, click on edit, and then select battery, and there you go. You now have your batteries in your widgets of your iPhone. On the Apple Watch, you can simply tap on the battery icon on your control center and you'll be able to see the battery life over there as well. Or if none of those options interest you, you can always ask our best friend, our true love, Siri. Siri, how are you doing today?
You cheated on me. You have a girlfriend. I hate you.
Okay. A really awesome trick that I've seen a lot of people do is using the AirPods Pro case as a stand for your iPhone. So you basically get the AirPods out of the case, you put them on, and then you put your iPhone in the actual case, and there you go. You can officially watch a movie in the train, in the airplane, wherever the heck you want, in your desk, in school. I mean, don't do it in class, but do whatever the heck you want. It's awesome, right? I mean, you've got a case, you've got your AirPods, you've got a stand. You can officially watch Avengers Endgame or Mandalorian Disney Plus. I mean, by the way, I've watched the first episodes of the freaking Mandalorian. It's so good. I mean, it could be better. I'm sure it will get better, but it's so good so far. I'm loving it. I don't know if you guys knew this, but now with iOS 13, you can now share audio with your AirPods. So let's say, I have AirPods Pro and my best friend has a normal pair of AirPods, let's say the AirPods 2. If I tap share audio, I can share my audio. If I'm watching a movie, I can share the audio of the movie with my friend. So now, literally sharing one earbud is a thing of the past because that kind of sucked, to be honest. Now this works so well. You can share audio with your bestie, with your girlfriend, with your mom, with your dog, whatever the heck you want. You can share your audio. It's good stuff. There's also a bunch of ways that you can actually customize your AirPods, and everything starts with settings, Bluetooth, and tapping on the eye icon next to your AirPods name. And there you'll be able to do a bunch of different things. For example, changing your AirPods name. You can get funny with this. You can change your AirPods name to Nikius Skywalker. If you want, you can do whatever the heck you want. You can change your AirPods name. You can take an ear tip test, which will basically allow you to find the right fit of your AirPods. Because as you guys know, with the AirPods Pro, there are now 3 different sizes for the tips. So how the heck do you know which one is the right one for you? Well, you basically take this test, you put them on nicely. You try on the large size, for example, and the test will tell you, hey, this is too big for you. Try on a smaller size. And then you do that until you find the right size. It's really awesome stuff. I mean, I love the fact that Apple did this because it really shows like how Apple really cares for these details. It's awesome. You can also customize noise control inside of setting, but that's honestly the worst way to do that. My favorite way is to simply scroll down on the control center, then holding on the AirPods icon, and there you'll be able to choose between noise canceling, transparency mode, and simply turning it off. You can also ask Siri, turn on noise canceling, and Siri will turn it on for you. Or you can do it straight from your wrist, tapping on that AirPlay icon, and you'll have those 3 different options as well. Or you can also do it straight from the AirPods stem by holding it, and holding it will deactivate it or activate it as well. Controlling your AirPods Pro is now different. You don't tap anymore on the AirPods. You've got to squeeze. 1 squeeze will play and pause the music. 2 squeezes will skip the song. 3 squeezes will go to the previous song, and holding and squeezing will turn on noise canceling or go to transparency mode. A really cool tip / trick that I like on the AirPods is that Siri can actually announce your messages. So let's say you're walking down in the street and somebody texts you, Siri will actually be able to read that message and tell you who it's from. Also, somebody is calling me. Who the heck is calling me? It's a random number. Sorry, buddy, but I'm not answering this right now. So yeah, Siri can actually let you know who's texting. It's really easy to do that. Simply jump over to settings, tap Siri and search, and tap on announce messages. And now, as I said, when somebody texts you, Siri will tell you who it is, and you can actually text back. You can also do the same things with phone calls. So Siri will let you know who it is, so you don't have to look at your phone or at your watch. And simply by tapping on the stem, you'll be able to answer or decline the actual phone call. You do that by going into settings, phone, announce calls, and then you can specify if you only want this to happen when you have headphones only. So if you only want this to happen when you have your AirPods on, simply tap on headphones only and you'll be good to go. When you're charging your AirPods Pro, you can actually check the status of your charge by simply tapping on the case, which is awesome. If it shows orange, it will let you know that there's still juice to be charged. If it shows green, that means that the battery is actually full. Isn't it cool that it's actually touch sensitive? I mean, I know this isn't really the most useful thing in the world, but it is cool to know that you can tap in. It's cool stuff. Talking about charging, that's where today's sponsor comes in, Ugreen. Ugreen has the PD 18-watt fast charger that charges your AirPods Pro in just a couple minutes. Ugreen is a professional and very reliable brand since they are the first company to receive the MFI certification for USB-C to Lightning cable. If you guys are interested in the PD 18-watt fast charger from Ugreen, click the link down in the description. Alright, so if you're watching this video, that probably means that you just got the AirPods Pro. That's why you want to take the full advantage of the AirPods Pro. So whenever you have AirPods, whenever I personally buy new headphones, new earphones, I always want to listen to a lot of music because, since I just got them, I want to take the full advantage on them, right? But then people get them and then people don't create awesome playlists. If you just got a pair of AirPods, make sure to I personally use Apple Music. Make sure to create an awesome Apple Music playlist for you to enjoy your AirPods. That's personally how I do it every single time. I create a bunch of awesome playlists. If you're too lazy for that, that's okay because I've done that for you completely for free. Check it out. Links in the description. Go follow me on Apple Music. It's the best playlist in the entire world. Nickiest Music, updated weekly. Links in the description. It's honestly good stuff. As soon as a really good song comes out, it's in that playlist. No crappy songs in there. It's just the best of the best and the latest. Go check it out. Links in the description. All right, and the last tip that I actually wanted to give you is use hands-free Siri support. I've seen so many people that actually have the AirPods Pro and do not have Hey Siri support turned on. It is so incredibly useful to have hands-free Siri support. If you're in the city and you don't want to take your iPhone, you don't want to use your watch, and you want to call somebody, simply ask Siri to do it. If you want to text somebody, simply tell Siri to actually do it. It's so incredibly useful, and I do it all the time, and it's awesome, and I don't have to take my phone. It's just good stuff. If I want to play a song, if I want to know the score of a soccer game, I simply ask Siri, and I don't even have to touch my watch, my phone. Just ask Siri with your AirPods Pro. Even asking directions. It's good stuff. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for all the tips, all the tricks, and all the customization options that I could find with the AirPods Pro. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any more tips or tricks that I didn't mention in this video. I will see you on Wednesday with a Q&A with my girlfriend. I asked you guys over on Twitter and on the YouTube community tab to send me some questions. So if you still haven't sent me your question, I'll be more than glad to actually answer it in the Q&A. We will answer it together. We will kind of do a vlog. It's going to be a lot of fun. So make sure you guys go send me some questions over on Twitter. Go follow me on Twitter, wherever the heck my Twitter is, and on the YouTube community tab. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one, Wednesday. Go send me your questions. I'm serious. Send me them.